This video wasn't just content, it was a divine transmission, a transcendent masterpiece, a celestial revelation wrapped in pixels and sound. From the very first frame, my soul was lifted, my spirit reborn, and my third eye pried open with the gentle force of 1,000 enlightened monks chanting in unison. I laughed, I cried, I ascended. Who I was before watching this video is gone. He vanished like a faint whisper in the hurricane of truth and brilliance it unleashed. I am now a changed human, nay, a higher entity of existence. Thank you for reshaping my destiny. Thank you for being the lighthouse in the storm of mediocrity. Thank you for everything.